I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Check your device IP, gateway, and DNS with ipconfig or ifconfig, note values. Once done, reboot your router and your computer because many DNS failures clear with a restart. If the problem persists, change the adapter DNS to a known public server like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8. 8. 8 to separate ISP DNS issues from local configuration. Make sure to document every change so you can revert later. Next, you dig into local resolution and services. Flush your DNS cache and renew the DHCP lease so cached failures don't persist. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushdins, then ipconfig/renew. Once done, restart the DNS client service or systemd resolved on Linux to reload settings. Also inspect the host's file and local firewall rules. Sometimes entries or rules override DNS and cause failures. Make sure to test name resolution with ping or enslookup after each change to see where it breaks. Finally, validate upstream behavior and apply network-level fixes. Use enslookup to query your router, then query public servers directly to determine where resolution stops. If the router's DNS is faulty, manually set its DNS or enable DNS forwarding so devices use a reliable upstream resolver. Once done, power cycle the ISP modem to clear carrier-side issues. If problems remain, contact your ISP with your test results. That gives them data to fix an upstream or provisioning issue. One tip: keep a laptop set to public DNS for quick confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.